Okay, the question goes like this: if, okay, x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, right? Find values of x square plus 1 by x square. This will be question number 1, and then there will be another question. Then find the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. Yeah, the question will come in this manner. Now this question, if you actually try to do, अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी सिर्फ enjoy करो इस problem को, okay? If you try to do this problem, by the way, you know, you are not seeing any a plus b whole square out here. Do you see any a plus b whole square? There is no a plus b whole square, okay? So this is little bit tricky. If we know how to do part 1, we will know how to do part 2 also. After this, we will see another example where it will be x minus 1 by x. So step number 1, first step. And right now, just absorb. First step, you always look at this sign. The first step is to look at the sign, right? This is your Netra Nayan Lochan, and with that, you will be looking at this sign. What is the sign? Plus. And what is it given? X plus 1 by x, right? So what we will do, we will create one, say, working column out here. And see, end of the day, this chapter is from identity. So somewhere identity तो आना ही पड़ेगा. But that identity clear दिख नहीं रहा है और कहीं छुप के बैठा है, उसको निकालना पड़ेगा. What did we see? Sign. Okay. Now since you have seen sign, you just write here x plus 1 by x, whatever was that, whole square. Okay. So my step number 2 is in rough. My step number 2 is in rough. I start processing x plus 1 by x whole square. These are steps that we will do. Let's process this. I think this should be an x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. Did you understand this or not? A plus b whole square. Kya was? Reyansh, why are you making that face? Is it clear or not? A square plus 2a into b. Here b is 1 by x plus b square. Tell me, all of you have understood this much or not? Clear? If you observe, this x and this x can strike out. Yes or no? Because one is the reciprocal of the other. So I'm taking off this x and this x. Is this understood? Right, very good. Now since this much is okay, then in my next step, whatever is x plus 1 by x whole square, can I not write it as x square plus, what is remaining here? Only 2 is remaining here, plus 1 by x whole square. Apply your exponent law. It is 1 square by x square, and 1 square is 1. So can I not write it as 1 by x square? लिख सकते हैं ना? Clear so far? Okay. Then in my next step, I am writing x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. 2 को बोला उधर जा, साइड हटो, बाजू ले जाओ, 2 को जस्ट साइड कर दिया. क्लियर कर सकते हैं. और इस साइड में हमारा x प्लस 1 by x होल स्क्वायर है. अब जरा ध्यान से देखो, ध्यान से. क्या देखना है? आपको क्या निकालने बोला था? They asked you to find out this value, right? They basically asked you to find this value. Do you agree or not? They asked you to buy grapes and oranges, but you brought grapes, orange and pomegranate. Pomegranate नहीं चाहिए ना? क्या चाहिए? खाली grapes and orange. So in my next step, what I do, I say, ये pomegranate थोड़ा return करके आते हैं शॉप में. क्या करेंगे? Return. So it is 2 on that side plus 2. इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 2. Now do I have grapes and oranges? What I was asked to bring, right? and I'm carrying them like this. हाथ में दर्द हो गया. So can I change my hands? Yes. So I'm writing x square plus 1 by x square is basically x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. You actually found a formula for this. Have you understood? First step was what? Locate the sign. Once you locate the sign, then process a plus b whole square. In that, while you are solving it for every problem, you will get one pomegranate which is not required. Being the pomegranate this side, you will be left with what you want. Hang on, we're still not. Now just think a little bit ahead, like a smart mathematician. What are you asked? Next one is x4 plus 1 by x4. To solve this, we will solve x square plus 1 by x square whole square. Then it will be a 2 into x square into 1 by x square. They will cancel out. Again, a 2 will remain. Let's solve this one first. Itna tak samajh mein aaya? So this was something that we are doing in our mind. Okay, this was our mind. So let's see how we will do this problem properly in the book. This was mind work. Aha. This was, what do you call it? Mind work. Okay, now how to do it properly? So my solution starts. I immediately write x plus 1 by x whole square, right? Why I'm writing this? Because I've observed it is plus, so I'm processing with the whole square. So what is the formula? X square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x whole square. I can write this. There I did it in detail, so here I'll do x square. And after that, what do we do? Cancellation, cancellation. This is gone. Clear? So it becomes plus 2 plus 1 by x square. I can write this as what is grapes plus orange plus pomegranate. Right? In my next step, now this is all equal, Pratit Pujari. So here we will use this sign. Even Arnav, see, this is an equal equation, hai na ye? So we will use this sign. Now we write x plus 1 by x whole square, being the pomegranate this side 2, is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Agreed? Now what do we do? Change our hands. So I'm writing a little bit this side to save place, okay? So next I'll change my hands. I will exactly write on left hand side what I'm asked to find out, So I write this as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Now this is my parent formula to solve what I have been asked to. But still I'm not done. Now what I do? Now life becomes easy. X plus 1 by x they have already given. Grapes plus apple is orange is equal to 4. So I put a 4 but with a square because the inside is only 4. And a minus 2. This becomes 16 minus 2 which is equal to 14. Problem done. Again look once on the board and let me know. I'm ready to do 1500 number of times whether you understood what to do or not. Don't look at the second part, just look at the first part. A question was given to me where a x plus 1 by x value was given. I was supposed to find out what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square, and this is a very common question which will लिख लो आएगा ही. सबसे पहले देखते हैं sign. See the sign. After you have seen the sign, you process the square of that term. Why do you process the square of the term? Because when I process the square of the term, the grape plus orange will come out, but with a pomegranate. Then shift the pomegranate on the other side. Your parent is angry. Why did you buy one extra item? ठीक है, वो return करके आएगा. अभी खुश है ना? बस अभी खुश रहने का. अब आप कॉपी कीजिए, but more than copying, I will be happy if you have understood. This is open in front of you. You do the steps on your own. खुद करो. जहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, raise your eyes and look at the board. But I would run. Avyan, Arnav, beta, have you all understood this? Level 1. Okay, now don't copy the problem. Try to do the problem on your book. This is open. Board is open in front of you. जब जब जरूरत होगा, you will see. But preferably don't see. Understand. And remember the step. फर्स्ट इज लोकेट द साइन, सेकेंड क्या है निवेदिता, प्रोसेस द स्क्वायर ऑफ द गिवन थिंग. While processing, grape and orange will come out, but with one pomegranate. Shift the pomegranate to the other side. Finally, you will end up in this line. See this. Once you get this, your job is easy. This is already given to you. श्रेयांश बेटू समझ में आया? Okay. आराम से देखिए. You can look at the board when you feel like. It's not that you don't look at the board. You look at the board only when you need it. See, you all are getting biased. Children, just imagine so many fraction problems we did in last class. Forget everything. Can you not solve this?
Yes.
Easily. Earlier problems you were asked to stop here. Now we have to do a little bit ahead. We have to take the 2 this side. That's all. Solve the square. When you solve the square, you will automatically get a 2 into x into 1 by x. So the x and 1 by x will vanish, leaving you only 2 and x plus 1 by. We had to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x4 plus 1. So ये निकालना है. ये आ गया ना, ये पोमोग्रेनेट एक्स्ट्रा है, लगा लो इसको, हो गया काम. ठीक है, -2. नाउ पुट, और यहाँ पे एक और डालो, ये डालो, और जो मैं लिखता हूँ ना, थोड़ा और लेफ्ट में, और हाँ एरो वाला, और ये स्टेप को लिखो, इसको लिखो, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to. Now it becomes easy, है ना? So you can do it in one go also. You next step, you what you do, 2 को साइड ले जाओ, -2 becomes +2. Clear, Ruhan? Did you understand? Did we do it? Which one? वो माइनस नहीं, वो प्लस है. आप a plus b होल स्क्वायर कर रहा है ना. How did you get a minus? This should be plus. I'm coming to you, Riyansh. ये प्लस होगा ना, a square plus 2ab. ठीक है? हाँ. How did that plus become minus? Because you brought it from this side to this side, ना? Equations. And if you want to still understand in a better manner, see, if you want to understand in still better manner, we can do like this. How did that plus become minus? For you, special item. I need to get rid of this 2. I don't want it. Okay? But this is equation. Equation is like a tarazu, balance. If you do something this side, you have to do the same, otherwise they'll cry. How to get rid of the 2? -2. But -2 करते हैं, रोना शुरू हो गया, ये इधर भी -2 कर दो. नाउ अगेन यहां से भी निकाल दो, यहां से भी निकाल दो, स्टिल स्टेप, ये कट जाता है ना, और यहाँ पे -2 आ गया. That's it, man. Instead of that, what I did, we just shifted the +2 to this side. Whenever you shift it to the other side, it changes its sign. That you will understand when you study linear equations. But I think you have 7th grade, you have done simple equations, you have done in grade 7. Then over this much, शायद साहब, ठीक है? समझ में आया? कोई शक? तो अब फिर अगला वाला पार्ट करेंगे. Done? Okay. Now concentrate on the second part of the problem. Okay, we'll concentrate on the second part. Second part, you have to find a x4 plus 1 by x4. Now ask yourself a question. When you wanted to find out x square plus 1 by x square, what did you square up? X plus 1 by x. x square, understand, to get this you squared this. To get this you have to square a x square plus 1 by x square or एक bar square. So I'm just changing the screen. Okay, remember this value. So as I change the screen, I'll write the question again, and you will not write, you just follow the problem. What were we given? X plus 1 by x is equal to 4, right? And the previous problem we solved, x square plus 1 by x square is how much, beta? 14. This is what I've solved. And now we are going to find the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. Do you agree? This problem you cannot do unless and until you have done the first part. So if your luck is very bad in exam, and your luck will be bad, then both the parts will be given to you. Then you have to first solve the first part, just like we solved, and then go for the second part. Now, how to solve this second part? So I'm writing my solution. Now I will try to find the square of x square plus 1 by x square whole square. When I wanted to find out this, I squared this. When I'm going to find out this, I'll square this. इसीलिए this is first part of the problem. Got it? First atta dough, finally paratha. Only atta was given. First make dough, then paratha. आओ इसको expand करते हैं. Now what is your a? X square is your a. So what is the expansion? X square whole square. This is a square. 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus b square. B is what? 1 by x square whole square. Did you understand the expansion? See, again the magic thing will happen. Again this and this will go away. Right? Pomegranate will come again. वाह मजेदार चीज है वो. ठीक है? This becomes x4 plus 2 plus this is will become how much? 1/4 by x4, which is equal to 1 by x4. So this is 1 by x4. What did your parents ask you to shop? Guava and papaya. Guava, papaya. Pumpkin is again come. So what do we do? Guava plus papaya plus pumpkin. And in the next step, what do we do? X square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 is equal to x4 plus 1 by x4. Now what do I do? Change my hands. I'm not supposed to find this. So x4 plus 1 by x4 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2. Now this value you just calculated. 14. This value you just एक ही problem हो रहा है. Same problem. Previous one was from Meesho and this one is from Myntra. थोड़ा महंगा. वो Meesho का था या Myntra और Nykaa. Done. So let me do it. So x4 plus 1 by x4 is now equal to how much? 14 square minus 2. 14 square is how much? 196 minus 2, 194. Problem ends. Did you understand? The whole trick. Basically, आपसे थोड़ा मेहनत करवा रहा है. If you have understood, now you can copy. We'll do some more of this type. अर्नब साहब समझे आप? बहुत अच्छा. क्या हो गया बिट्टू, आज थोड़ा चेहरा डाउन है? Lot of pythons are coming out in and around every city. या पाइथन अमरावती एयरपोर्ट में, केवीआर पार्क हैदराबाद में, पूना में, बड़ा वाला पाइथन 3-4 आदमी मिलके ऐसे नूडल्स की तरह पकड़ रहा है. हाँ हाँ, तुम्हारे बस के नीचे भी पाइथन था. वैसे वो वाला पाइथन किसी को काटेगा नहीं. पेबल सिटी में जो पाइथन था नहीं, सिविलाइज नहीं, उसको खुद का डर है ना. उससे डेंजरस जानवर तो बस में चल रहे हैं. अर्नब समझ में आया मैं क्या बोला? हमारे यहाँ बस स्टैंड में ना एक बहुत बड़ा पाइथन निकला. पाइथन, ठीक है. सब लोग डर रहे हैं कि पाइथन बच्चों को काट लेगा। पाइथन किसी को नहीं काटेगा। पाइथन को अपने जान का डर है, क्योंकि उससे डेंजरस क्रिएचर्स बस में चल रहे हैं यूनिफॉर्म में, है ना। पाइथन को भी तो डर है अपना जान का। कल रात ना 2 भूत यहाँ पे चल रहा था, पता है। हाँ, एकदम सिमेट्री के पास से 2 ghosts were walking like this and were speaking something to each other. What were they speaking? रात सुनसान, ऐसे 2 घोस्ट ऐसे चल रहे और कुछ बात कर रहे थे एक दूसरे से। बोलो तो क्या पूछ रहा था? एक दूसरे को पूछ रहा है, डू यू बिलीव इन मैन? आदमी लोग क्या पूछता है एक दूसरे को, भूत में विश्वास करते हो? तो भूत क्या बोलेगा, तुम आदमी में विश्वास रखते हो? वैसा ही था। अभी भूतों को बहुत डर हो गया है, पता है, क्योंकि जंगल कट रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन हो गया है। भूत का उसका जो हैबिटेट पढ़ते हो, हैव यू रेड द वर्ड कॉल्ड हैबिटेट? भूत का हैबिटेट डैमेज हो गया ना, तो इसलिए भूत लोग कहते हैं पहले इंसान कितना डरता था हमसे, अब तो एक एक इंसान भूतनी का मोबाइल कैसा दबाते ही टाप जल जाता है, हमको दिख लेता है। भूत को डर हो गया। पहले जंगल में एक आदमी को डराने से वो डर फैलाता था, अभी आदमी नहीं डरता है। चलें आगे, एक और प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। इस बार आप लोग थोड़ा आइडिया दोगे मुझे कि सर ये वाला प्रॉब्लम हम कैसे करेंगे, कैसे ये सब मतलब ऑडिशन में जो यारडी शर्मा। ओके चलिए, हाँ अब अगला प्रॉब्लम है, फिर से पेन्स डाउन और सिर्फ सुनिए यहाँ पे। इफ x minus 1 by x is equal to 5, find फिर से बोल रहा है x square plus 1 by x square, और द्वितीय क्या बोलेगा, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x4 plus 1 by x4। हाँ नहीं 5 नहीं है, यही तुम्हारा, तुम 2 चश्मा लगाओ, सेम नहीं है, वो प्लस था ये माइनस है। हाँ तुम 2 चश्मा पहनो, एक से तुम्हें कम दिखता है। सो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट स्टेप? सबसे पहले साइन देखो, इस बार साइन क्या है, माइनस। इसका मतलब है ये प्रॉब्लम, ये वो चकदे देखा है ना लास्ट सीन, दिव्या मेरी तरफ देखो, इसकी पांव तो बाएं तरफ है, ये दाएं को शॉट लेगी, ओहो ये स्टिक तो इसने बाएं की तरफ हुआ, दिव्या मेरी तरफ देखो, साइन की तरफ देखो, साइन क्या है, माइनस। इसका मतलब इस बार x minus 1 by x का स्क्वायर प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा, -1 by x। इसको देख के कभी मत जाना, दिस इज टीजिंग यू, दिस इज द रियलिटी, दिस इज possessed ghost. You actually think your friend is coming. As soon as you hold the holy cross and he says, get away from me, it is the possessed ghost. You see this one. Got it? So our solution will be, our solution would be, we will process the square of x minus 1 by x. Now this uses which formula? A minus b whole square. So let's do it. What is your a? X. What is your b? 1 by x. So a square minus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. Grapes and pomegranate have come out. No. Grapes and orange. Pomegranate is here. This goes away. So this becomes x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. This is x square plus 1 by x square. Mind you, you are getting a minus 2. Now pomegranate has to be shifted this side. So pomegranate turns to plus 2. अच्छा गया बच्चा तुम लोग, ऐसे तुम लोग पढ़ने आते हो, तेज बच्चा सब, ठीक है ना। x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. My English is a little bit bad, you know. I've not studied in English medium schools like you children. Not so fortunate, you know. therefore I could not buy a Fortuner. Plus 2. Understood? And this is the thing that you have to find out. Time for me to now use my substitution. This is already given. This is how much? 5. So can I put a 5 square out here and a 2, which is a 25 plus 2, which is equal to 27. And if you want to make me happy today, please copy this step by step and process the next one on your own. There, okay? This is called shadow concept. Means there is a ghost, you work, I will be behind you. Now I'm no more in the steering, you are in the steering, I'm on navigator seat. What will you process in this case? Just मुझे इतना बोल दो, इसके लिए क्या process करोगे?
X squared plus 1 by x squared
Whole square. Not x square minus 1 by x. Why not minus? Because you have solved this. If you solve minus also, the answer will come, because solving the minus of this will also give you, अरे छा गया। तुमने लिखा कि नहीं पहले वो बताओ, मुंह में किए हो, उसको ओरल किए हो ना? दिखाओ दिखाओ दिखाओ, नहीं किया, देखा? यही तो प्रॉब्लम है अर्नब, यही प्रॉब्लम है। नहीं, वो किया नहीं है ना। ही इज वेरी क्लेवर। व्हाट ही कुछ कर लेता नहीं है, वो क्या किया है, 27 को स्क्वायर किया है, करके 2 माइनस कर दिया है। वो क्लास में देखना ऐसे खूब बच्चे रहते हैं, मैम ने आधा प्रॉब्लम नहीं किया, 296 मैम, द आंसर इज 296। हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग में इन बच्चों को क्या बोलते थे पता है? डीसीपी। जनरली बहुत कुछ लड़कियां नहीं, बट पढ़ाकू। हम लोग तो रैगिंग में मार खाते हैं हॉस्टल में, रात को कहाँ पढ़ाई होगा। कुछ कुछ फ्रंट बेंच में बैठ के सर थोड़ा करता ही आंसर रात से निकाल देता। तो हम लोग उनको बोलते थे डीसीपी। डीसीपी मींस डेस्परेट फॉर क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन। डीसीपी को चुप कराओ। और डीसीपी में कुछ लड़की डीसीपीयां होती थी, जहां हम लोग क्लास बंक करेंगे, those girls will go and say, sir, we don't know sir where boys and all went, we'll have a class. और प्रोफेसर भी क्लास करके हमारा अटेंडेंस काट देता।
आपको कोई अटेंडेंस नहीं करता, मतलब वो जो एक होता है इंसान जो यस सर अलग-अलग आवाज में बोलता है।
नहीं, यस सर अटेंडेंस, कॉलेज अटेंडेंस इज एवरी पीरियड वाइज ना। It's not one attendance like in the school. Like now we have a class on mathematics too. Subject wise, you have to have 75% attendance. So it's your wish. College, nobody will tell you. Suppose you attended a class of, say, I'm from mechanical, so I attended a mechanics class. I'm bunking my, say, some class of mathematics. Nobody will say, तुम अपना attendance रखो। उसमें सब proxy चलता है। जैसे इसका attendance वो दे देगा। Sir will call out ना, 64, yes sir, एक और yes sir आ गया, but he is actually not present. But there are many smart professors. They enter the room and do a row by ये count and this, and if they find that too much of yes आ रहा है, repeat attendance होता है। और उसमें now तो this fellow will not say. First time he said ना, उस लड़के का 5 attendance काट देगा। And my luck was bad. ये Avyan's mama, me, we were all in same class. My luck was bad because my roll number used to be M195, mechanical 195, 95 batch. 1 का proxy कोई नहीं मारता है ना, 1 तो is a known face for the teacher. How can you give a proxy for roll number 1? My roll number was 1. Every viva I am the first murgi. But by the time I come out, the whole hostel is studying. I'm done. मेरा एग्जाम हो गया। नहीं 1 है ना, 1 है, ये है ना 195। रोल नंबर्स वर ऑल 1 पे नो प्रॉक्सी। हो गया? कुड यू कैलकुलेट द अदर वन? सहजवीर सिंह, हाँ, दुश्मन सामने खड़ा है, एमएमजी कॉल करो और 4 राउंड पिस्तौल डाल दो उसके ऊपर, है ना? एक्स स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर x4 प्लस 2 दिस। हाँ, वेरी गुड। अब ये लेकिन उस साइड माइनस होके जाएगा। Ah. Oh. You can actually process the next one by both ways. X square minus 1 by x square whole square also. Or you can do it by done. आ गया भाई साहब 727. अच्छा, some more stylish problems will do now, huh? यही है RS अग्रवाल में ना प्रॉब्लम कम रहते हैं, RD शर्मा इसमें ठीक है, भर भर के प्रॉब्लम कराएगा. ओके कहाँ गया आइडेंटिटी. Okay. Now, you have done a lot of problems on the two identities, that is x plus a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Are you fine? There was one more identity which was a plus b into a minus b is given by a square minus b square, right? So we have done a couple of problems from here. So, okay. Let's do one more. Let's see whether you have developed the idea about how to do problems. Okay, let's say देखता हूं, ये आप आइडिया लगाओ, देखते हैं that mathematical inclination has been created or not. How do you face this thing? Right, let's see this problem. This is a problem which says if x plus y is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 14, find x square plus y square. Similar lines problem, okay? Find x square plus y square. Now, क्या problem है ना with OBS and Mac, I don't know. 1 minute. This was never there last year. This started happening this year. Okay. Now, if you see this problem, you are given the value of x plus y. You are given xy. Just in your mind, try to do x plus y whole square. What is x plus y whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy. ये वहीं से connection है इस problem का. देखते हैं how to do this problem. Okay. So what we do first is, whatever is given, we try to process the square of it, because end of the day you need this. This will be born from here. So this is a x square plus 2xy plus y square. Do you agree or not? ब्रिंजॉल एंड बेरकाई, यही तो बोला है ना निकालने के लिए x square plus y square. ये गायब करना पड़ेगा. So I can write x plus y, किताब उठा, वो मेरा ही किताब है, हार के 2 टुकड़ा मत कर, अगले साल किसी को देना पड़ेगा. minus 2xy is equal to x square plus y square. Do you agree? 2xy was plus on that side, so it came as minus 2xy. So far okay? Right. क्या हुआ निवेदिता, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या बेटू? x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. Clear? This is what we have to find out. This is what we have to find out. So this is equal to this square minus 2xy. Clear? See the power of inverters. It's working. So x square plus y square will be now equal to, what is x plus y? What is x plus y? X plus y is given to you as 12. So this is 12 square minus 2. xy is also given to you 14. Oh yeah, problem. 12 square is 144 and this is 28. So 8 and this 6, 1 carry over, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 4, 1, 116. 116 is the answer. This type of problems are also very common in school test. Did you understand or not? ठीक तो कीजिए, इसको लिखिए. इसके बाद एक और देंगे आप लोगों को बढ़िया. Which one you didn't understand? This one. This is same as this one. X plus y is asked to be is given to you and xy is given to you. So you first process the square of you have to get these two. These two can come out from the square of this. So we process the square of this. If you have understood the previous one, there is no question you cannot understand. This is a simpler one than the previous one. So why didn't you tell when I asked you that did you understand the previous one or not? I did 4 problems in the previous one. What made you put band-aid on your mouth? I did 4 problems. Did I ask everyone, have you understood? Have you understood? Have you understood? Yes. Then you watch the video. This is derailing of class. Once I have gone 3 steps, 4 steps forward, then don't bring me to the back one. I am doing a problem. I'm asking you not to write anything, just to understand. Just to understand. Did you do your homework or not, first of all?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the problem? I explained this problem. I explained 2 problems from there. I explained 2 problems from the next one also. 4 problems I've done and you have not stopped. And now you are stopping me. Then I'm helpless, child. I asked everyone, did you understand? Did you understand? Did you understand? ये derailing मत करो क्लास को. And I hope you all are doing your problem honestly. Chat GPT खोल के तो नहीं कर रहे हो ना? If you are doing that, then you are only cheating yourself. Remember, neither me nor your parents will sit in the exam, nor Chat GPT. You will only sit in the exam. At that time, नतीजा ठन ठन गोपाल करके बैठा रहो. Okay, एक और करें. Similar lines. I'm rubbing. Can I rub this portion? Yeah, I'll rub this portion, and I expect you to do the next one. Okay. Today is a Bijli Divas. Meow. Selected. Where is the delete button? Where? All because of Nivedita. हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए हो रहा है. कहाँ है delete button? कहाँ है? The line also went away. Only because of you. You have to be responsible. Okay. Next question. Similar lines. I won't rub that. So the question is, if x minus y, just see the change. Did you see the change? And xy is equal to 9 nag sap. Find x square plus y square. मित्रों, ये निकालिए. ठीक है? समझ में आया इसमें क्या करना है? मैं हिंट नहीं दूंगा. I won't give the hint. I hope you have understood what square has to be processed. What square? X minus y whole square. Yeah. X minus y whole square will give you x square plus y square minus 2xy. Same. X square plus y square minus 2xy. And the minus 2xy, you know what is xy? चलिए कीजिए. Maths is like this. We will show you paratha. We'll ask you to make pizza. Oh, same. One goes in tawa, one goes in the oven. One has ghee and makhan on it. One has toppings on it. One is desi. One looks more. एक मतलब ऐसे ये क्या बोलता है? टी-शर्ट पहन के खा सकते हैं. दूसरा थोड़ा कोट वोट पहन के खाते हैं. टेस्ट लेकिन पराठा में ही ज्यादा है. हाँ. मार्गरीटा और क्या मर गया मैं पिज्जा एक आता है ना. अरे क्या एक मार्गरीटा या मर गया मैं कल पिज्जा आता है ना. हाँ, डोमिनोज मर गया मैं पिज्जा. हाँ, मार्गरीटा और हाँ उसमें जे से कुछ रहता है. जलपिनो जल पी लो, मतलब पिज्जा खाने से गले में अटकेगा तो थोड़ा जल पीना पड़ता है। जल पी लो, जल पी लो। कुछ नहीं है, जीरा पाउडर जैसा को क्या, फ्लेक्स, चिली फ्लेक्स। और कुछ नहीं है, चिली फ्लेक्स। इफ योर मॉम हैज गॉट रेड चिलीज इन ए डब्बा, take out all the red chilies. All the red chilies by friction keep some dust, unwanted red chilies at the bottom. That is what you buy as chili flakes. Chili flakes, वही वाला। हाँ, घर पे होगा ना, everyone's house will have a red chili का डब्बा। You just take out the all the red chilies और नीचे देखना थोड़ा गिरा गिरा हुआ सा red chilies रहता है। That is chili flakes. और कुछ एक आता ना कैलोरी जोन या क्या खाने के लिए, ओ हाँ, कैलोरी जोन, कैलोरी जोन, हाँ हाँ। लड़की नीचे खड़ी थी, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग। हाँ, could you apply the knowledge of here to there? Sure. Shall I doing? Okay. I'm also doing. Let's do this. So here what we will do, since this is x minus y, we will process the square of x minus y, which gives me x square minus 2xy plus y square. So this is x square plus y square minus 2xy, and I have actually found out what I need to find. So let me do some jugglery. Jugglery. Abracadabra. What you call as abracadabra, we call it Om Him Cream Chamundaya Namah. So this becomes x square plus y square is equal to x minus y whole square plus 2xy. Now x minus y's value is given to you, 7 square plus 2 into the value of 9. That makes it 49 plus 18. 9 and 8, 7, 1 carry 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 4, 6. 67 is the answer. Very good. Now you have understood how to do this problem. Okay. Let's do one more stylish problem after this, if you are done. सहज, तेरे फाउंटेन पेन में स्टार्टिंग ट्रबल है क्या? सुबह जब उठ के लिखता है तब गाड़ी की तरह स्टार्ट नहीं होता है क्या? तो एकदम पूरा ईवी जैसा स्टार्ट हो जाता है क्या पूरा? तुम्हारा रहता है ना, फिर क्या धक्का देना पड़ता है ऐसे? हाँ, फिर स्टार्ट हो गया एकदम। उसके लिए पेन को उल्टा रखो। हाँ हाँ, इनका आएगा। तुमको भी उल्टा लटका देने से तुम्हारे ब्रेन तक खून आ जाएगा, सुबह तक तुम फोटो बन जाएगा। हर साल माला बदलेंगे फिर, है ना सर? अर्नब समझ में आया? बहुत ही बढ़िया। आगे बढ़े। अरे तुम लोग ना स्नेल पेस में लिख रहे हो, इतना स्लो कोई लव लेटर भी नहीं लिखेगा। माय डियर, एम अच्छा नहीं हुआ, फिर से नया माय डियर। तब तक कोई और लेटर लिख के ले गया उसको, तो माय डियर ही करते रहो, माय, है ना? मजेदार। चलें आगे। कैन आई गो अहेड? नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम। ओके, नाउ दिस प्रॉब्लम इज little bit Doloistic. This is a x plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. Okay, they are giving you, so we have to find the product of this, right? Now if you look at it, you'll say, sir, what is so difficult? I will do binomial, then I will get a trinomial. I will multiply the trinomial with the binomial. Very good, you can do that. But in that case, you will be called a GADHA, because GADHA. So that because dhachu. Okay, because you are not applying your mathematical acumen. If you watch the first two, don't you see something? A plus B into A minus B. So, so I can write this as x square minus 1 square. Okay, and I can write this as x square minus 1, x square plus 1. Again, there is applicability of the same formula. See, x square minus 1, x square plus 1. Now it will be x square whole square, a square minus 1 square. So final answer becomes x4 minus 1. Right? And if you are supposed to say, they tell you factorize this problem. Suppose ulta of this problem we have to do. Ulta. Suppose this is the beauty of algebra. See, x4 minus 1. Now we have to find the factorization. Factors. You know factors? Factors mean blah blah multiplied by tla into gla gla. So we have to do it. Now you apply your formula. x4 can be written as x square whole square minus 1 square. Formula can be applied x square minus 1 square and x square plus 1 square. Although smart boys will write this as in this manner because 1 square is same as this. अब इसमें lock हो गया, but this one can still go ahead, right? This is a x square minus 1 is always a 1 square. So this goes further. Rather, I'll keep this, and now this opens up as x minus 1, x plus 1, and the x square plus 1. Exactly the question. On egg, larva, pupa, adult, pupa, larva, egg. Life cycle of a caterpillar, butterfly. Yes. Moth. लास्ट में मौत हो गया. मौत का और मौत को चप्पल मार के ठपाक करके मौत. हाँ हाँ, फिर क्या करेगा? फिर हमारा ये है ना फेमस उजैर, वो मलबरी लीव्स लगाएगा, वो लोग खाता रहेगा. चलो करो इसको. ए, कौन विसल कर रहा है? अच्छा, एक वाले पूरिया कंटेंट एक रखा था, देखो स्टार्टिंग से देखना. नहीं, 1 मिनट. हाँ हाँ, 1 मिनट रुका बेटू. काम क्यों नहीं कर रहे? अरे हुआ? चलो एक और करो तो. Same way, take the problem. X minus 3 brackets. The first factor is x minus 3. Next factor is x plus 3. And third factor is x square plus 9. See, you can predict the question. 3 है तो 9 होना पड़ेगा लास्ट में. X square plus 9. That is your last problem. Means for the class today.
Sir, x4 plus 9.
हाँ, x square plus 9 बाबू. क्वेश्चन है x प्लस 3 x माइनस 3 x स्क्वायर प्लस 9, और नहीं करूंगा। इसके बाद सीधा ये बोर्ड खोल के धुलाई दूंगा। x4 माइनस, हाँ करेक्ट करेक्ट। इसको देख के वो आंसर प्रेडिक्ट कर सकता। तो यहाँ आंसर क्या आया, x4 माइनस 1 स्क्वायर। तो वो वाला आंसर क्या आएगा, x4 माइनस 9 स्क्वायर, x4 माइनस 81। अच्छा ओके चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज write down in RD Sharma. Now I will not give you any homework. 6 point, हाँ RD शर्मा में, ठीक है, होमवर्क आपने करना है। अर्नब का दिलो तमन्ना पूरा करे। भाई साहब प्लीज डू द एक्सरसाइज 6.3 डिवीजन। आफ्टर दिस वी विल डू, प्लीज डू द एक्सरसाइज 6.3। no you have not done 6.3।
किया था, हाँ we're done with it।
RD शर्मा 6.3 किया है क्या? ऐसा कैसे हो गया?
अरे तुम्हारा अलग रहेगा ना।
अच्छा अच्छा, आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास और है तुम्हें बोर करने के लिए। कम डाउन टू 6.4। 6.4 में आओ, पेज नंबर 6.34, कम डाउन टू 6.4। हैव यू ओपन 6.34? जस्ट लुक एट द प्रॉब्लम 7 and 8। You see, they are the same problems that we did today। ठीक है, ये आइडेंटिटी के बाद वाला एक्सरसाइज खोलो। हाँ तो ये 6.4 इज योर होमवर्क, आराम आराम से करते रहो। एंड एंटायर 6.4 में आई एक्सपेक्ट यू टू फिनिश अप टिल एटलीस्ट प्रॉब्लम नंबर 8 मिनिमम। अच्छा 8 यू डू 8 एंड 10 11 8 10 11। हाँ ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स 9 आप छोड़ सकते हो थोड़े के लिए। इफ यू डू आई डोंट माइंड, बट आई वांट यू एटलीस्ट द फर्स्ट 8 क्वेश्चंस and 10 and 11 to be done, and if you do more than that I don't mind। The first 8 questions and 10 and 11, and if you don't do them, you know very well, you can sleep Saturday for a later long sleep। Sunday you can sleep long, मतलब क्लास में तो आना नहीं है ना फिर, right? So thank you for your time। GL, get last। Okay।